In this session, let us learn about cleaning data. Data cleaning. Data cleaning means fixing bad data in your data set. Bad data could be empty cells, data in wrong format, wrong data, duplicates. In this tutorial, you learn how to deal with all of them. Our data set. In the next chapter, we will use this data set. First, create this. The data set contains some empty cells, data in row 22 and calories in row 18 and 28. The data set contains wrong format, date in row 26. The data set contains wrong data, duration in row 7. The data set contains duplicates row 11 and 12. Check this. See here. Wrong for data in row 26. See here. It's wrong format. Okay, and data set contains wrong data, duration in row 7. See here, in row 7 the duration is 450, it is wrong. The data set contains duplicates row 11 and 12. See here, both are same, they are duplicated, they are both are equal. Okay, friends, this is end of part 9, cleaning data. In next video, let us learn about another topic, cleaning empty cells. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.